Hey everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tarka Project. And today I'm going to share with you an extremely interesting and fresh take on a sandwich that I absolutely love. It's a corn and cilantro toast. It's easy, it's simple, and it calls for extremely inexpensive ingredients as always. So let's get cooking. To make my corn and cilantro mixture, I'm going to start by putting my corn, cilantro, and a few green chilies into a food processor till it gets to a coarse consistency. So this is the kind of consistency we're looking for. Like you can see, it looks very wet right now. So to soak up the extra moisture, I'm going to add around a tablespoon and a half of chickpea flour. And I'm also going to add some salt. And I'm going to give this a nice mix till it's all combined. Now I'm going to spread around 2 tablespoons of the corn and cilantro mixture on a slice of gluten-free bread here. Feel free to use any bread of your choice. I'm adding around half a teaspoon of oil onto my pan on medium-high heat, and I'm going to place my slice of bread corn side up till the other side gets all crispy. I'm also adding around half a teaspoon of oil to the corn side so that also gets all crispy and delicious. This should take around 30 seconds to a minute. And I think we're good here. Now I'm going to plate my sandwiches. You can have your corn and cilantro toast with a green chutney, hot sauce, ketchup, or any condiment of your choice. So that was my quick and easy corn and cilantro toast. It works amazing just on its own as a snack, but you can also serve it up with some home fries, salad, some soup. Just let me know how you made it your own, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye.